When road conditions are poor, you should modify your driving accordingly. If you do not, it is more likely that you will lose control of the car. Car tires have tire tread. These grooves allow water into them, which is then pushed out the sides of the tire, so that the tire remains in contact with the road. The grooves need to be at least 1.6 millimeters deep to be used legally on UK roads. The more shallow the tread depth, the less space there is to push water to the edge of the tire, and the more likely it is that you will aquaplane, which is when the car loses its grip on the road and you lose total control of the car. When road conditions are poor, you should drive at lower speeds. Increase the gap between your car and the car ahead of you from 2 seconds to 4 seconds. Spot danger early and bring your speed down earlier and more gradually. Take corners a little slower. Check your tire tread depth. Avoid deep puddles and surface water where possible, or go slowly through deep surface water where it can't be avoided, as you do not know what the water is hiding. For example, potholes or large rocks. Like and subscribe for more driving tips.